When you first log into Soci, you will click into your Insights page. You will see the social media accounts that you have linked to Soci, as well as some other information related to your social media accounts. If you click Social, it will take you to your calendar. There are 3 different colored boxes. The gray represent posts that were already posted to your social media accounts. All of the posts require your approval prior to going on to your accounts, and the green represents posts that have already been approved, and the orange represent posts that need to be approved. For any of the green or orange posts, you can click in and make edits to the text or to the date and time that it posts. If you click Save, it will keep all of your changes. To approve the post, you'll go up and click the thumbs up approval. You'll need to copy the link and paste it in a new tab in your browser. It will take you to an approval page where you can click Approve for a post, and it will remove that post from the list and move it into the Approved tab. While you can click each post individually, you can scroll down to the bottom. You can approve the post by the single page that you're on, or if you happen to have multiple pages, you can approve all posts at once. If you click over on the Approve tab, you'll see everything that has already been approved. When we go back into Soci and close the pop-up, we can hit refresh and see that all of the posts are now green, meaning they're all approved and ready to go. You can continue to make changes to the post up until the time that it is actually posted to the accounts. Lastly, if you decide you want to move a post to a different day, you can simply drag and drop it on the day that you want to post it.